Yesterday I was terribly wrong. Looking at the US futures, I thought market will come on the downside. In fact, if yesterday's video, when I was posting yesterday's video, Dow Jones, S&P, Nasdaq, everything was almost down by 1%, and there was a news that there was multiple explosions in New York City, and that was one reason why it has happened, why the market has gone down, or why the futures, US futures are were down. And I was thinking that the market will gap down today, but to my surprise, everything had gone opposite, right? So today was Bank Nifty expiry. Let us talk about our expiry day trades first. So we made a profit of around 20,000. Yeah, 22,707 rupees. So it was a really super volatile market today, and markets were all over the places. And as I talk to you, US futures are really down, and markets are maybe likely to gap down tomorrow if we close in the red. So lots of things are going to happen, or lots of things are there in terms of market. Today was very important news in terms of, and the major problem or the major reason why markets were super volatile was because of Adani. And you know what happens if you have money, not only the government, a whole, you can turn the whole country in favor of you. And that is what happened today in terms of Adani. Supreme Court verdict is in favor of Adani. So they don't want to transfer the case from Zebu to, I think, STC, I think, yeah. So they have come out with that verdict. So it's a positive news for Adani, and you know what has happened to Adani stocks. All the Adani stocks are all in the green, and that has contributed to the price action today. If you see, if in terms of Bank Nifty, if I talk in terms of Bank Nifty, so let me take to the Bank Nifty chart so you can understand. So Bank Nifty itself, this is not Bank Nifty, this is Sensex chart. And if you see Bank Nifty fell from around, it was super volatile. It gapped up actually, contrary to my expectation. We were expecting a gap up, gap down. It gapped up, and one single candle, if you see, top was around 47,800, low was almost 47,500, a drop of around 300 points in just one candle. And that is Bank Nifty. It is an index, it is an which has a capacity to make two-way, three-way move, and that is what has happened. Then from 47,500, it again went all the way till 47,800, again came to 47,600, then again retraced to 47,800 somewhere level, and closed somewhere around 47,750 levels. So it was damn hard to trade today. Market like premiums, to give you some example, premiums were going from like 2 rupees to 150 rupees, or let's say 2 rupees to 80 rupees, so on and so forth. So it was really very hard to trade, and expiry day trades, I can tell you, is very hard, and it is rewarding. I'm not going to say it is not rewarding. It is very rewarding, but it is going to strain your brain. You can see from me, right? People always ask, Umar, you are posting daily videos, but nobody is watching. Why you are posting daily videos? The reason is, see, you have to understand, good things take time, right? If Then you will ask me, that person channel is running so much, why your channel is not running? I am a profitable trader, right? But see, this is not an entertainment channel, this is a educational channel. YouTube has categorized this channel as a educational channel and not an entertainment channel. Say, I'm not a girl. See, I can see in YouTube or Instagram, lots of people come and post reels and YouTube shorts, and I really don't know what is the main objective of posting so much of reel, spending so much of time in YouTube, YouTube shorts and Instagram reels. You tell me, what is the use? No use at all, right? See how youngsters are wasting their precious time for this entertaining others at the cost of their time. They are trying to entertain others at the cost of their time, right? Time is very expensive. The time is a commodity which you cannot trade at all. You cannot, if time goes, you cannot buy it back. See, they are using this precious time for entertaining and for others, and what is the use? Zero. But we are not doing that, right? We are trying to educate others. We are trying to tell our opinion so that you can benefit. I can understand. We can understand that I am not talking about any strategies, or I am not talking about what I am doing, how I have made so much money, or how much I have made losses. I am not talking about strategies, and we are talking about charts and NSE data, that data, this data, which you already know. There is no denial about that. But what we can do is, see, we have spent lot of things, lot of time, lot of energy in strategies, and we have done lots of research, and I can't come out simply in front of camera and tell you what is the strategy and how I can make. If it is free, you will not know the value of it, right? See, if you give something free to some people, they might not know the value of that, and that value is very, very precious. That's what we want to say. Anyway, talking about YouTube, even if people are not looking at YouTube, it is, as I told you, it is a very long run. Good things take time to, good things take time. So we will take, it's just 2 years, not even 1% of subscribers watch this channel. But still we will post videos. We will continue to post video, and I know some YouTube channel where they have not traded, where this host is not trading. He is just reading like a news reader, no emotion, no nothing, but still people are watching. I really don't know how these people are, what they get from this people. You are getting ideas from a non-trader. You are getting ideas from a person who doesn't have any trading background at all, right? So lots of reason. Anyway, I don't want to waste your time talking about my issues. We'll see about the market. So markets are kind of in a knee-jerk reaction, or markets are likely to come on the downside, is what I believe. And this is what I have been saying for more than not 1 day or 2 day, more than 10 days I have been saying this, and we are likely to consolidate. See, I'm not saying market is going to crash or market is going to come down to 19,000 or 18,000, but I can see that the market is having divergence, and the likelihood of market touching 21,000 is very, very high. Now I may go wrong, but that's what, see, I cannot predict everything 100% right, correctly, right? But I can be wrong. So even if you are wrong, the matter is, or the main objective is, you have to come out of the market with money. That's what I believe. And the reason why I'm saying is Nifty 21,000 is very, very strong support, is because if you see this chart on around 12th of December, 14th of December, there was a huge gap, and this gap will act as a support for Nifty. And in terms of Banknifty, if I go to Banknifty chart, and you can see here this, if you see today's low, the same 14th December gap up was acting as a support. So you can see here 47,500. This candle low was around 47,000. How much? Yeah, around 47,500 levels. Then it tried to retrace. Now let's say, for example, tomorrow US futures, as I talk to you, US futures are all in the red. In fact, if I show the chart, you can see US markets are all deep in the red. Dow Jones is down by around 0.28%. S&P, Nasdaq is down by around 0.61%. It's not a big fall, or it's not a bloodbath, but we will have to wait till US market closes. So we'll see how things work out. And for your information, both FIAs and DIAs are net sellers. DIAs have sold for 862 crores, and FIAs are have sold for 666 crores, right? And let me take you to the charts again. So I didn't change the screen. So this is a hourly chart. So this gap which was formed on December 14th is going to be a strong support in terms of Bank Nifty, and in terms of Nifty, the same gap which was formed on 13th of December is going to be a support for Nifty, right? So we'll see how things work out or how things pan out. For now, I will say that people, you might have to short the market, right? People think there are some complex, complex strategies or complex calculation to make money in the market. Believe me, all crap. Not a single indicator is going to help you. I can tell you, if you don't agree with me, you can write on the description below. Not a single indicator, any indicator in the world you take, it is not going to help you make money. That is for 200% sure, I can tell you. So let's see how things work out. And in fact, I will tell you, there is one book called I don't remember the book. It is a top selling book. I think Trading the Zone. I think, yeah. I really don't know the name of the book. I think it is Trading the Zone only. So this book is about all indicators, different type of indicators, and how to interpret them, so on and so forth. But this book was written by a journalist, a person who doesn't have a trading background, a person who doesn't have traded, is writing this book, and that book has sold top bestseller in in the world. So what you can understand from this is that people go to people who doesn't have market experience or doesn't have field experience or doesn't have trading experience, right? Anyway, sorry for boring you. I'll see you in yet another video. For now, you have to we are shorting the market, and I believe you should also short the market. And there is a disclaimer: do it at your own risk and responsibility, right? Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.